Alright guys, we're back. It's been a little while since I've did something. I've been on holiday, work's been obviously catching up with us. Actually picked up COVID for 7 days. So yeah, it's been a busy couple of months. So yeah, we're back today. It's just a little video just to get me back into things. So what we're doing today is we have got a laptop that won't power on. We'll show you that in a second. We've got a battery to go into it and we've got some memory to go into it. So let's show you what's going on. That's the washing, don't worry about that. Right, so this is the laptop. It's a Lenovo. It's a Model 310. There we go. And this chappy will not power on. So let me grab the power cable. Do this one-handed as usual. Right. We'll pop the cable in, and as you can see, this will not power on. See, it will not power on whatsoever. So yeah, so we need to look at that today. I think it could be the jack. I don't know if you can see that, but I can just with the naked eye. There's a little pin that's sticking out on the DC jack. So yeah, I think that's the main problem. But I'm going to just let this sit maybe for 5 minutes to see if it's just the battery that just needs charging. It could just be the battery that's completely knackered. We'll wait and see. We'll change that first, then we'll try it. This DC jack could be absolutely fine, but it could just be the battery, and that's it there. We've got a new one there. So let's see what's going on, and we'll be back under the big scope, or the big camera. Right guys, we'll be back in a bit. We'll tear this apart and see what's going on. Right, back in a bit. Right guys, we're back under the big camera. So yeah, so literally the intro I managed to shoot using the home gimbal on my new Galaxy Flip 5. I managed to break and smash my Samsung S10 Plus, so we'll get that replaced on the channel and you can see how we can do that. I need to transfer all the data from that as well. But this, I managed to get like 2 minutes if that out of it, and it just died. So it looks like the battery's not holding charge. So I'm going to send this back to Amazon and either get a replacement or get a better one, or a handheld one where you can actually hold it like a car steering wheel. But yeah, this is actually good for different angles, but yeah, it's just died on me, so not good. But let's get back to the laptop. As said, there's no power in this laptop, but it could just be the battery. So we'll start taking this apart just now, and we'll see what's going on inside. So bear with us, we'll speed this up as normal, but it's actually pretty easy. So you've got one screw here, that's for the hard drive, one screw here, that's for the memory, and then you've got all these screws around the side to get into the laptop. It's pretty easy, so we'll speed this up and we'll be back in a second. Alright, so in 3, 2, 1, boom! Right guys, so we are into the main kind of compartment of the laptop. This is the battery here. This is obviously going to need replaced. This is the DC jack. We'll have a look at that. But this whole board has to come out for the battery to get replaced. So we will disconnect these, that there, and this here as well. So this old board has to come out, so bear with. Actually, I've missed a cable underneath, and it's this one here, it's the fan. Okay, pop that over, and then this will come out. There we go, guys. One main board for the Lenovo 310. So let's see what's going on. So it does look like, let's just focus a wee bit. It does look like the jack is okay. There's a little bit of captain tape on it, so it must get hot. Obviously this is for the CPU. We'll take this off and we'll repaste it as well. I always do that. The jack does look good. Maybe just a little bit loose, but my money's on the battery. I'm pretty sure it's the battery that's tough. Right, so we'll test this. We'll pop the new battery in, and we'll put it back half together, and we'll see what's going on with it. Right, let's get the new battery, or the old battery out, and the new battery in, guys. So this is a genuine battery. And just double checking, obviously the old battery, black cables go to the left, okay. What I'll do is as well, I'll just we will pop some new thermal paste on this, guys. 2 secs. And there's literally nothing on that, guys, so I'm surprised this wasn't overheating as well. Guys, this is rock solid. I'm surprised this laptop didn't overheat, to be honest. It's pretty solid on this. And we'll put the exact amount of paste on it. Boom. Actually, we will do that. So, while we are here, we will pop in the new memory, and this one is 8 gig. Boom. And then we will flip this round and we'll get this all installed again. yeah, so it was the battery, guys. So yeah, we'll put this back together and we'll get it back up running. Obviously, there's no hard drive in it, guys. That's why it's coming up with the Windows Boot Manager, but that's fine. There is the old memory, which is 4 gig. So we've doubled the memory from 4 gig up to 8 gig. We'll get all this put back together and job a good one. So yep, 2 seconds, guys. Just power it off. Hold this for a couple of seconds till it just kills the laptop. Boom. We will pop in the DC jack. The laptop is dirty. We'll give it a good clean. I've got stuff here that I can clean it with, so we'll give it a good clean. But let's power it on. It should go straight to the hard drive for boot options. The profile should load up straight away. There we go. Windows is loading up. Cool. So yeah, when I actually got this, the laptop was working. But obviously, by the time I got to it, I've obviously been busy. By the time I've actually got to replace the battery, it looks like the battery has completely just died. So yeah, it was the battery and not the DC jack. So all good. So that's it now working. We do have stuff that I need to do. We've got that PS5 there. We've got the Xbox there. That PS5 sitting behind it beside the printer is mine, but we may sell that with the... So if you want a PS5, get in touch. It's got the 3-stage cooling upgrade with it, with an extra 2TB M.2 in it. It's got the full shebang. Ideal for someone who's looking. It's obviously got the controller as well, no drift stick. Obviously that's on the channel as well. So yeah, please get in touch if you ideally want it. So wait and see. But that's it, guys. We will wait till this comes up. It's just taking its time. There we go. It is dirty. You can see all the keyboard. It's very dirty. The screen's dirty. We'll get this all sorted. So come on, laptop. Remember, we're booting off a hard drive, so it's not the fastest. Right, there we go, guys. It's up and running. Obviously, it's booting off a hard drive and not an SSD. That may be a next upgrade for the customer, but we'll see. So there we go, all up and running. Yeah, that's it, guys. I will be back with the stuff on. I've just showed you on the left, the PS5 and Xbox, etc. This is just a little video to get us back up and running. So we'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Alright, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.